In today's video, we're reviewing Suyya clip-in hair extensions. They're seamless human ramming hair extensions. I'm going to be coloring them to match my hair color. And we're gonna clip them in and style them, so you'll see everything about this. So if you're new here, I'm Elaina. I usually do hair videos, makeup videos. Just check it out later. You can subscribe, click notification bell so you can notify all the new videos I upload. You can follow me on social media if you like. All the links are in the description box. So let's get right into this. So thank you, Suyya, for sending me clip-in hair extensions. I got 2 boxes. And this is the same. So I guess if I want to use more volume, I'm going to use both. So these are extensions for free. I don't have any affiliate links or any commission. I'm just gonna do an honest review and I'm gonna show you what they're like. So this is my hair. You can see it now. I mean, my hair has been thinning for a few years. I guess it's like the hormones and stuff. So you can see this is what I'm working with. I usually wear some kind of clip-ins if I go out, or I'll wear a bun, a fake bun, because I don't like, I mean, sometimes I go out like this. It's not terrible, but it's pretty thin. So we have all types of human ramming hair extensions. They have clip-ins, they have invisible seamless, the ones I got, and they have I think it's like a microlinks and tapes. Just check out later. I'm going to link exact extensions and their website in the description box so you can check out for your own interest. And they have always some kind of specials. Right now they have get extra 25% off. Discount code is Suyya. I'm gonna put it here. That's the brand name. It's not my code, it's just the code for you guys. At the time that I'm editing, there is a new better code, so check this out. So these are 100% real human hair extensions. You can style it with heat, of course, because they're human hair. They're lighter and softer. The silicone silk band is light and lighter, softer than traditional methods. As you know, the usual clip-in hair extensions, they have wefts. So if you have like thin hair like me, if you put the extensions, you might see through. If you put your hair over, and it's gonna be visible. So the seamless ones are great for like extra thin hair, so it could be more seamless and invisible. The customizable and strong and pliable, each hair strand is fused into the silicone band, reducing shedding and tangling while extending longevity of the extensions. So that's the information. I got 16-inch, 120 grams, 8 pieces in the color platinum blonde. They have a few colors depending on the style you choose. And my suggestion, if you don't find the color that perfectly matches you, which is hard, you can get a lighter shade and color it. Do not use bleach on extensions. As a former hairdresser, I know that extensions usually pre-treated in some way, even the Remy. Still, they're not. It's not advised to bleach them. So I would rather get a lighter color, and you can use a demi-permanent shade, which I am going to use to color them. Now this is not a bad batch, but I could make it a little lighter. Color 60 is like platinum blonde usually. Color 613, like in the hair world, is usually like a bleach blonde. So this is what the packaging look like. This is what it came in. It comes with a couple of extra clips, the clip, and a couple of hair ties, and I guess it's to separate the hair while you're preparing to clip it in. So the other package is looking exactly the same. It says what it is, the number. So let me open this. Ooh, even through the hair in the hat, it feels very silky soft. I mean, I already can feel it. I mean, I've used these extensions for years, so I'm kind of an expert. and I know the difference between bad quality and good quality. Also, because it's human hair, it's easy to color. So, oh, this is oh pretty, and they feel thick. This feel thick. You know, sometimes you get extensions, and at the ends, it's like super thin. This is not thin. Definitely need to color them to match. I used to bleach my hair, and it was very close match to this. But since I'm using only high lift color now, I would rather. I mean, of course, I'll have to color. So I wanted to order a lens that's not too long, just maybe a little bit longer, but mostly for volume because I mostly want volume rather than lens, and it's easy to blend. So it comes in 8 pieces. Let me cut this off and I'll show you. So this is what the band look like. Let me zoom in. So these are the clips on one side, and this is how thin the band is. See, it's super thin. So when you put it on your head, it's not going to be visible. I mean, the color is not matching, but you know, you get the picture. So this is the 3 clip, another 3 clip. Let me zoom you back out because I'm too close. And then we have 2 little ones with 1. Usually extension sets like this, they come with the little ones and they're for sides, you know, to fill in the sides. So 1 clip each, that's another 2, so that's 4. And then we have the smaller ones, the 2 clips, 5 and 6. And the last 2 are the 3s. So 3 and another 3. So depending on the width of your head, that's how you place them. So you find where you have the widest part, where the 3 goes. I mean, you just have to kind of put it against your head to figure out where you're going to put it. So I'm going to show you once I color them. So I'm going to try to color them with what I have in stock because I do my own hair all the time. And probably gonna use Redken shades. I'm gonna show you. So here what we got in stock here. So I got a bunch of ends. So I think using a hen. My hair is pretty like golden neutral. So, and this is already a little golden. So if I put a neutral, it should blend. So that's what I have. That's what I'm gonna use. I do have NB in 10. Might use a little bit of that. So I got 9N, 10N, and I've got 10NW, so that's what I have, that's what I mean. So I might add a little bit of 10NW, but I have to be careful because I don't want them to pull too warm, and I'm going to use it on wet because we never know how the extension is going to grab, so I have to watch them. So if you don't have access to professional hair color, I would recommend going to stylist and getting a demi. Do not get permanent color. The extensions are gentle. You want to treat them carefully, and nothing is too highly ammoniated, and use sulfate-free shampoo. So this is a processing solution. So I'm going to mix this up. Wet extensions, use a little tub, you know, have a tub for hair coloring, just a little, you know, container, and we're going to dunk them in water. I'm just going to show what it looks like in water, and of course rinse, shampoo, condition, and dry, and then I'm going to try to see if the match. Hopefully I'm gonna get a good match. Like, I'll trust myself, but we'll see. And taking you to my bathroom on my phone. So excuse the sound, but it's easier for me. Just bring my phone. So here we go. You can already see it's starting to take a different shade, and it's only been like 3 minutes. This stuff works quickly, so I have to watch. So yeah, it looks good. I'm still wearing gloves because, you know, always wear gloves when you work with chemicals. Yeah, definitely getting close to my own hair color. I'll give it a couple of more minutes. I'll rinse. You have to watch this because the extensions can grab too dark, and we don't want that, of course. So I'm only going to color one pack because my hair is thin, so I don't think I'll need another pack. But if I do, then I'll color a second one right away. So I'm back. Um, that's the result. So did I match it? Not exactly. So what happened? I was afraid it was gonna grab dark. It was looking dark, so I rinsed it. And of course, now that it's dry, it's a little lighter. But yeah, Shane, you want to say hello? Shane, that's my boy. Oh, Shane, be careful. Don't get lipstick on you. He wants dinner. You want dinner? I'm gonna give you dinner very soon. Yeah. It's a sweet baby. You sweet baby. Is you a sweet baby? Alright, get out of here. So I'm thinking it might blend because once I put it in between my hair, it's just gonna look like highlight, see? It's going to blend. Besides, when I do my roots next time, I might hit my hands with a high lift to make them brighter. I've done it before. It doesn't really ruin it that much. So now we're going to install it. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to show you a few clips of installing, not the whole thing because it's going to take forever, but I'm going to show you the gist of it so you know how to do it if you've never done it before. So I separated my hair. This is my first section. It doesn't have to be perfect because it's going to be covered up. So try not to go too close to the hairline because, you know, it's going to be visible. So we got the 3 clip and this should fit in the back. It's kind of close to the sides, but nobody will see it in the back here. So what we're going to do is tease first. So we're going to tease a little bit. Usually I'll look, but you know, of course I can't look right now because I'm showing it to the camera. So we're going to do one without looking. Then you also can use hairspray to install this. So let's see if I can do it without the mirror. So we're gonna put one here on the side. One in the back. And one on the other side. So I've got a little mirror here, so we're gonna see what it looks like. It looks pretty good. I just saw it. Of course, the color is much lighter. I didn't expect it to be that light, but you know, stuff happens. I can retone it in the future, or I can lighten up my hands actually, which I'm probably gonna do. So now we're gonna do to the next section and do the same thing. So I already placed one clip in the middle because I need to see, so I use the mirror. And I'm gonna do one on the side without looking. And the other side. This is very simple. You don't have to look. It works. It'll work. It'll blend. And then I'm going to curl it together with my own hair. Actually, I'm going to show you now because I realized I need to curl it. I already started. I need to curl it by section, so I'm going to use heat protectant. Remember, this is human hair, so you need heat protectant for it as well. I'm trying not to hit my own hair right now. Normally, if I wore it out, I would also curl my own hair, but right now, I'm about to have dinner, and it's going to blend anyway. So, I'm going to hit it with a flat iron. So I'm getting some loose waves here because I'm not using a lot of heat. I don't want to destroy the hair, so I'm going to continue and come back. So we're back and I curled the rest of them. I found using a regular curling iron is easier just for me. I don't like to use the flat iron. I just started it and I finished with a regular curling iron. So as you can see, it is a little lighter, but I kind of like it because I like my own hair lighter, but I don't want to damage it too much. So this will give me like a ombre balayage effect with the lighter hands. I'm gonna turn it around and I'll show you. It blends, it just looks like a gradual ombre because you can't see the roots obviously. So one pack is plenty. So if I use another one, I can actually color it maybe a little darker and like I stagger them in different colors. That could be a good idea as well. So I'm gonna show you the back. So this is what the back looks like. I'm not sure if I'm in the camera. Let me look at the mirror. I have a little hand mirror so you can see. If you guys can actually see everything. Can you see it? Yeah, I think you can. So that's the back. I think it looks pretty good. It does look like an ombre. And it does blend. Although, as you remember, when I just colored it and I dried it, it did look lighter, but I kind of glad I didn't color it too dark because I like my hair lighter and it blends together. You know, I can always lighten my own hands a little bit next time. So my final recommendation: do use heat protection when you style it. You can use curling iron, you can use flat iron. I mean, it's creamy human hair. It still feels very thick and still feels very silky even after coloring it. And the key is to color it with a demi-permanent. Do not want to damage the extensions. You want to use the lowest volume of peroxide and a gentle demi-permanent color to match. So my final thoughts as a former hairstylist and a very experienced extensions wearer, I think they're really good quality. I experienced zero shedding. You know what it says? I was reading about it. It's zero shedding. They're not shitting you. It's zero shedding. I mean, I colored them. I dunked them in water. I rinsed them. I shampooed them. I pulled them with a brush, drying. I didn't see any hair come out. I don't know. I don't know how it's possible, but they did it. And the ends are pretty decent. You know, they're not the thinnest, you know, like some extensions do that, you know, like shady extensions, those ends are thin. That's not one of them. They're very nice. And so the shading is minimal, the quality is excellent. They're still silky smooth after processing. I say all the claims are true. They're really, truly high quality Remy. Remember, the links are in the description box, the link to this set, and also the link to their website. So you can get tapes, you can get all kind of extensions. So this is 16 inches, 120 grams, 8 pieces. And the discount code is Suyya for 25% off. And no, I'm not an affiliate. I don't make commissions. I just did like it. So that was my first impressions. I just did everything. And by the way, it's not a lot of work. It's 6:30 p.m. My cats are hungry. They're scratching. Anyway, it's 6:30 p.m. I started like at 4 something. So it took me less than 2 hours, about 2 hours on everything, talking to the camera, then coloring it, you know, processing, rinsing, shampooing, drying, styling, installing, everything. So it doesn't really take that long because the toning takes just a few minutes. It's not like you process and bleach or something. So yeah, that's my recommendations. I highly recommend. As an experienced extension wearer, I think quality superb. So thank you, Suyya, for providing me the hair. And if you guys are interested again, go to the description box. Let me know what you guys think. Are you a fan of extensions? Do you have 3 hairs on your head like me? I definitely need help. So leave me a comment, like this video if you enjoyed, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And you can follow me on social media if you like. All the links are in the description box. So thank you all for watching, and I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!